Hello and welcome to the StrottSHOW. My name is Michael Carroll, Vice President at Strottner Designs. You're a San Antonio-based boutique, and even boutique design and marketing firm willing and eager to handle your web and graphic design opportunities, your inbound marketing opportunities, your SEO, your social media, your YouTube management, and many, many more things that we know will help you grow your business. Um, Over the past year, we've been spending some time digging in really to the transition of all industries, in particular ours, to the use of AI. And we've seen that the topic of AI is met with a significant amount of fear and trepidation, and that's understandable. We all grew up with the Terminator movies and other knockoffs that tried to convince us that one day our robot overlords were going to overthrow us and turn us into a variety of dystopian potential outcomes. Now, when ChatGPT hit the market, oh gosh, end of 2023, and people got real excited over Thanksgiving break about all the things that it could do, which was barely scratching the surface of the capabilities it has now. We looked at that and said, this AI thing is a tool that can be used, or it can be a tool that you're afraid of. And we are not like people that are afraid of the steam engine when it first was introduced. We are those that are what think that these tools should be embraced, helping us be more efficient, more effective, and do better work for the companies that we both work for and work on behalf of. With that in mind, we're going to cover a post from a bit ago. The future of SEO. Will AI replace human expertise? Let me give you the short answer. No. Now let's dive in, shall we? In our current environment and for the foreseeable future, SEO is a cornerstone for businesses seeking online visibility. But with the rapid advancement of AI, many small business owners, entrepreneurs, and even seasoned marketers are beginning to ask, will AI replace human expertise in SEO? The question is more relevant than ever, given the sweeping changes AI is bringing to various industries. In this video and in this post, we're going to explore the future of SEO in the age of AI, examining the roles both AI and human experts will play in shaping the digital landscape. Now, some of this is just what we think. The future has a way of surprising us after all. So, understanding AI's role in SEO. AI and SEO is not a new concept. For years, search engines like Google have used AI driven algorithms to improve search results. These algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to understand user intent, rank web pages, and provide the most relevant answers to search queries. AI tools have also become a mainstay for SEO professionals, helping them with keyword research, content optimization, and competitor analysis. But as AI grows more sophisticated, its potential impact on SEO has become a hot topic. The number of is SEO dead? Both articles and advertisements we see is astounding. Can AI fully automate SEO processes, or will there always be a need for human touch, creativity, and expertise? So here's what AI brings to the table. They're definitely impressive. One, it's data analysis at scale. AI can analyze enormous data sets far more quickly than any human. This ability is critical in SEO, where data driven decisions often determine success. So, AI tools can process search data, identify trends, and predict which strategies are likely to work best. This can lead to more informed decisions and more effective SEO campaigns. Content generation. AI powered tools like GPT-4 are now capable of generating content that is not only coherent, but also optimized for SEO. These tools can produce blog posts, meta descriptions, and even ad copy, reducing the workload for human marketers. However, while content is improving, it still lacks the nuance, creativity, and emotional connection that human writers bring to the table. Personalization. AI can tailor content to individual users based on their browsing habits, preferences, and previous interactions. This level of personalization can enhance user experience and engagement, leading to better SEO outcomes. Personalization at this scale would be impossible without AI. Automated technical SEO. So, technical SEO, a topic we've covered many times, includes tasks like optimizing site speed, ensuring mobile friendliness, and fixing broken links, can be time consuming. AI tools can automate these tasks, freeing up time for SEO professionals to focus on strategy and creativity. But how about some limitations? It is not without them. Understanding these is crucial for anyone concerned about the future of SEO jobs and human expertise. The lack of creativity. Artificial intelligence excels at tasks that provide pattern recognition and data processing, but it struggles with creativity. It can hallucinate, though, which is creative on its own. Crafting a compelling story, developing a unique brand voice, and creating engaging, emotionally resonant content are areas where humans outperform machines. So, what about the ethical considerations? AI operates based on the data it's fed. If the data is biased or flawed, the output will be too. Garbage in, garbage out, the old saying. Human experts are needed to inquire to ensure that SEO practices remain ethical, transparent, and in line with both user expectations and legal requirements. Nuanced decision making. SEO often involves making strategic decisions based on a variety of factors, including market conditions, competition, and brand identity. These decisions require a level of nuanced judgment that AI is currently unable to replicate. Now, keeping up with trends. SEO is dynamic with search engine algorithms constantly evolving. While AI can help track changes, human experts are essential for interpreting these changes and adapting strategies accordingly. They bring the flexibility and insight that AI lacks. Now, it's a collaborative future, though. Rather than viewing artificial intelligence as a replacement for human expertise in SEO, it's more productive to see it as a powerful tool that can enhance human capabilities. Here's how AI and human expertise can work. AI enhances efficiency. Artificial intelligence can handle the heavy lifting when it comes to data analysis, technical SEO, and content generation. This allows human experts to focus on strategic thinking, creativity, and relationship building, areas where they excel. Improved decision making. AI can provide valuable insights by analyzing vast amounts of data, but humans are needed to interpret these insights within the broader context of a business's goals and values. This partnership leads to better, more informed decision making. Creative collaboration. Artificial intelligence can generate content ideas and even write basic copy, but human writers can refine this content, adding the creativity and personal touch that resonates with audiences. This collaboration can result in content that is both optimized for search engines and highly engaging for readers. And AI's continuous learning. AI's ability to learn and adapt means that it will improve over time. Meanwhile, human experts must also continue learning to keep up with new tools, techniques, and trends. This mutual growth can drive innovation in SEO. So the future of SEO is not about artificial intelligence versus humans. It's about artificial intelligence and humans working together. While AI will undoubtedly play a larger role in SEO, like almost everything else in our lives, human expertise will remain irreplaceable. AI can handle repetitive, data driven tasks, and it is getting more creative, but there is nothing quite like the personal touch. And it will always need humans to guide it, ensure ethical practices, and inject creativity into the process. For small business owners and entrepreneurs, this means embracing AI tools to enhance your SEO efforts while continuing to invest in human expertise. The best results will come from a balanced approach that leverages the strengths of both AI and humans, or working with a team that understands how to do this. A team like Strottner Designs. If you want to find out more, email us at support@strottner.com. We now have SEO packages that include AI results optimization, or Arrow, as we call it, so that you show up in those new search platforms that are springing up all over the AI landscape. So, in conclusion, the rise of AI in SEO presents exciting opportunities for increased efficiency and effectiveness, but human expertise remains critical for creative, ethical, and strategic decision making. By combining the power of AI with the unique strengths of human experts, businesses can navigate the future of SEO with confidence and success. So, going back to my short answer, the future of SEO, will AI replace human expertise in SEO and all so many other areas? And the answer is no. It will not replace it. It will complement it. And together, it can be a very innovative and practical and efficient partnership that explodes productivity for an already highly productive group of people. So that's a very special opportunity. It also means that if you have a small business and you're worried about being found, you can't just turn things over to an AI bot and hope that that a GPT will take the place of your human expertise and our human expertise. So when you're considering your inbound marketing strategies moving forward, we use AI tools. You're going to use AI tools to get the best results that everyone is participating in. AI is going to be a fundamental way of life, and we may look back as this is one of those pivot points, like the discovering electricity, the steam engine, the diesel engine, and even the nuclear and space ages. The AI impact on the world, and our small corner of it is going to be that substantial. Expect. We'd love to hear more of your thoughts. Like, subscribe, comment. Let us know if you'd like to hear us cover this topic in a little more depth and a little more detail. It's one we do enjoy and one we think is important. Come back next time for our next video, and please enjoy our ever growing library, as we have now moved to 2 times a week instead of one. Thanks for spending some time with me today. My name is Michael Carroll with Strottner Designs. Till I see you again, be good. And if you can't be good, definitely be careful. Have a great rest of your day.